everyone. Welcome back to our channel Youth for Work. Today we will be discussing about the Bharath Engineering Entrance Exam, which is BEEE. Bharath Institute of Higher Education and Research (BIHER) conducts the Bharath Engineering Entrance Examination BEEE. The BEEE 2000 exam is for the admission of BTech and BArch students. Bharath Institute of Higher Education and Research, a deemed to be university, was established in 1984 by the Sri Lakshmi Ammal Educational Trust. Earlier, the university was affiliated to Madras University and later by Anna University. The university's name was changed from BIHER to Bharath University in September 2006. And later, in November 2017, the name was again changed back to Bharath Institute of Higher Education and Research, that is BIHER. Now let us put some light on the eligibility criteria of BEEE exam. Candidates who have not completed 25 years of age as on 1st July of the year of admission are eligible to apply. Candidate must have secured minimum 50% aggregate in the qualifying exam or equivalent from any recognized board or university with PCM or PCB. Let us now discuss the exam pattern for BEEE exam. Exam is conducted in offline and online mode. Time duration for the exam is 180 minutes and the total 100 questions are to be attempted. 1 mark each will be rewarded for each correct answer. There is no negative marking in the exam. The exam is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 is physics, Section 2 is chemistry, Section 3 is mathematics, Section 4 is biology, and Section 5 is English. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work would like to conduct a session for tips and tricks for BEEE exam. For better practice and revision, make practice from previous year question papers and sample papers part of your preparations. Make a proper schedule in order to give proper time and attention to each and every topic. Prepare and use your handmade notes for revision on daily basis. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, types of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work.